Hi. Have you heard when you are speaking with people, especially informally in Bulgarian, questions which sound similar and familiar, but you are not quite sure if they mean the thing that you read in the books? For example, instead of Какво е това, in real life, very often we may hear Какво е това, or even Какво е това. And just like in English, when we speak very much informally, in Bulgarian, we tend to shorten our words. And in English, it is heard like I want to being replaced to I wanna. I am going to being replaced with I am gonna. And similar situation with similar idea we have in Bulgarian. So, какво е това equals какво е това. Ква equals каква. For example, каква е тая книга? Каква е тази книга? Тая shortens тази. Maybe you will hear neutral words. Какво е това? Това е червило. Or какво е това? Това е червило. And when we have plural words, тези червила will become тия or тея червила. Това can be той. Какво е той? Instead of какво е това? Also possible, depending on which part of the country you are. We also have different dialects and accents, but in real life, when we speak informally, we do tend to shorten our words. And what are you doing instead of какво правиш would be more probably какво праиш. V from правиш will even go away. So какво правиш, какво праиш, какво правиш. And have you heard any similar expressions where we shorten our words and we put them maybe even together? Have you heard something that sounds similar but you are not sure if it is a different word or the same word but just spoken pretty much informally and incorrectly actually? Comment below. Thank you.